So hi there everyone, welcome back to another episode of Red Reacts. My name's Leon, I'm the one looking after you, and it's time for another Diana Ankudinova track. And this one is Wounded Sounds, not long premiered on YouTube. I'm going to get my criticism out of the way with before we even listen to it. It's too short. Too short. It's another just over 2-minute track. This woman just keeps releasing 2-minute tracks. That's annoying, but if it's good, we'll let it go. But hopefully there'll be some remixes about eventually. But yeah, she's got a phenomenal voice, phenomenal talent, and that's what we're all about, is exploring the world of music. So if you enjoy it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel with the notification bell, and again, I think we keep saying it, but please do like and subscribe. So many people aren't subscribed to the channel, and it really would help us to achieve our goals and get the recognition from YouTube because it's in the more interactions you get, the more YouTube then promote your video. So we need those promotions to get the video seen by people. We want to keep pushing forward. Please remember to leave your thoughts, your comments, your requests below. Please also check out the links in the video description for the other channels within AOB, and also ways to support the channel. We really do appreciate everyone past, present and future who supports us. We have so many exciting things for 2026. We want you guys to be part of it. Right, ears on. Let's go.
Смотри, какие фразы на мне блестит до переплава колье. Кипит дыхание, только боль. Я путала тебя с собой. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня.
It's a bit, I mean, again, it's a different direction from the other songs we've had recently from her. But again, it's this, I mean, it feels a bit bizarre. But let's keep going and see how it goes.
Не забыла меня. Мне страшно простоять без огня. Колючий город режет сон, сгорает подо мною дом. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня.
It's got, I mean, I love the beat and feel of it. I mean, I could have definitely used this in a club. It's just so short. Let's go.
Раненые звуки, я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Хорошо, ты не слухи. Раненые звуки, я не стану копаться, выможу руки. Эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня, эй, ты спаси меня.
Okay, so I mean, I kind of got into the track as it went on. I mean, it wasn't probably one of the better ones, but I could definitely enjoy it. I could definitely use it. And there was, I mean, even if they'd repeated the chorus another time there at the end before they went into that bit at the end, it would have added another 30, 40 seconds to the track. There was more that could have been done with that to make it longer. It was a good and interesting track. I definitely will give it that. But churning out songs that are 2 minutes 20 to 2 minutes 40 long every single time is becoming, for me, an issue. Because it's just like, when we look at the video, I mean, there's so much stuff I would like to say sometimes in videos, but I have to cut it down. I try and go by the track, because of course you get a song that's too long, you have to interrupt it too many times, and things like that. But as somebody who does this, a 2 minute 20 track, and even looking at me, it's just annoying. And as a DJ, it would be annoying. And as a radio player, it would probably be annoying, because you can't. Yeah, I don't know. I like the song, but I just think there's more they could do with it. I think whoever's producing them needs to look at that. But yeah, let me know your thoughts. Did you enjoy it? If you did, smash the like button. Subscribe to the channel with that notification bell. Thoughts, comments, requests below. Of course, do check out the links in the video description for ways to support the channels and also the other AOB channels. And yeah, come back and join us for another one very soon, I hope. Till then, bye-bye for now.